Problem 9. What is the following expression equal to? Well, literally evaluate it from inside out. So what I mean by this is let's first evaluate the inner summation from j is equal to 1 to 100 of I plus j. What is this equal to? Well, that is equal to I plus 1 plus I plus 2 plus I plus 3, right? And we see where this is going. This goes all the way until I plus 100. So what can we say here? Well, we can say that it's basically 100I plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way to 100, right? As you can see with this expression. And how do I know there's 100 i's? Well, 1 corresponds to 1 i, 2 corresponds to 2 i's, etc., etc. So 100 corresponds to 100 i's. So the 100 I, and then what is 1 plus all the way until 100? That's 101 times 100 divided by 2. So that becomes the value of this summation. So what is now the summation of I is equal to 1 to 100 of 100i, right, plus 101 times 100 divided by 2. Well, there's a formula for the summation, which is a plus b is equal to summation of a plus the summation of b. So this is equal to the summation of I is equal to 1, right? I is equal to 1 all the way to 100 of 100i, right? And then we have to add this with the summation of I is equal to 1 to 100 of that value, which is 101 times 100 divided by 2. I'm not simplifying it, and you will see why in a minute. If I scroll down here, what is this expression equal to? Well, that is the same thing as 100 times 101 times 100 divided by 2, right? And then what is the second one equal to? Well, that is just the same thing as adding this constant 100 times. So this is the same thing as 101 times 100 divided by 2 times 100. So what do we get? Well, we can factor out the 100, right? If we factor out the 100, we get this term plus this term, which is just 2 times that term, which is the same thing as 101 times 100. So we have 101, 0, 0, 0, 0. Look at how fast that was. If I had simplified, that would have taken me so much longer with arithmetic. So this way is much easier. Always simplify at the very end. So we have 101 with 4 zeros. So 101 with 4 zeros is answer choice E.